Hi, my name is Gabrielle Venezia. The game I found is Greeny Gap. The company that made it is New Cave. I'm not that much of a gamer, so I just searched for some free online games and happened to come across a game with my first name initial repeating. So let's go ahead and press play. Basically, the way to play is you can only use the spacebar or the mouse button. So the object of the game is to keep this square up in the air without hitting the bottom or the top. So let's go ahead and start. So basically it kind of reminds me of Flappy Bird when that game was really popular. You just have to keep it up in the air, not hitting anything. I mean, luckily there's no poles that you have to fly in between, but it does increase the level. So it gets harder as the game goes up levels. Game's not too old. It was actually created in July of 2012. There's a total of 24 levels. Before I did a little trial and I got up to level 5, and then this part took me a little while. So this is like really like Flappy Bird where you have to fly in between something without hitting them. Yeah, I didn't play level 5 yet, but look, seems you have to really hold it down and mess with it. But anyway, so the game just seems to have an older design to it to keep it kind of like the games we've been learning about. So I mean, it's really cool. Some other games that I like to play, really, I'm not that much of a gamer, like I said, but games I'll play like Guitar Hero and stuff like that. I played Call of Duty a couple times, but like I said, not big gamer. But I enjoyed doing this project. Thank you guys for watching.